Okay, let's take a moment and go over how it is that we make submissions for the LMS. So when it's time to submit your homework, I've got this assignment over here on the LMS called Simple Math. And you'll notice that the deliverable says zipped project directory. You're going to see that a lot from assignments in my class. It means I want all of your code base so that I know that you've written it yourself and that you understand the concepts. You need to hop over to your workspace in File Explorer and find the directory that houses the project you want to submit. In this case, we're doing the Simple Math assignment, and I named a project Simple Math. It lines up nice and neat. This directory has all of my code, all of my directories, all of my packages that I have created for this assignment. So it's really easy from here. All I have to do is right-click that folder, which will bring up the context menu. I go to Send To, and then I select Compressed Zipped Folder. Now, I get it. I know that there's 7-zip. I know that there's WinRAR. I know that we could do a jar and all these other files. I don't want those files. For the purposes of grading and to make my graders' lives easier, just go ahead and use the Compressed Zipped Folder option in Windows. When you've done that, you'll get a zip file like so, and it will be named after the directory itself. So I like the name of the project. That's great. But in truth, I need to add just a little more information. Okay? I'm going to, at the very beginning here, add my last name, first initial, and then an underscore. This tells the graders who submitted the assignment. And of course, we have some students who have the same last name as others. So for a last name, first initial is probably going to help disambiguate, and then underscore, and then the name of the project itself. If you ended up not naming this project usefully, if it's kind of a silly name, or maybe it's too large a name, or whatever the case may be, feel free to change the project name portion of the zip file so that it's a name that you like better and matches the assignment in some reasonable, meaningful way. But once you've done that, go ahead and hit enter to save the name. Now you have a zip file of all of your source code. Now, go back to the LMS, and I'm a teacher, so I don't have this view, but there will be an upload option followed by a submit button. If you go to that upload option and you select your zip folder here, then you can click the submit button, and now your assignment is submitted to the LMS. It's that easy, that simple. But if you get stuck, if you have any questions, if you need any help, just reach out to me, and I'll do what I can to lend you a hand.